Hi everyone, today I wanted to share some lamb meatballs, and to that we're going to need some ground lamb, some milk, bread pieces, some diced onion, and some grated garlic, an egg, salt, and pepper. So here I pour in some milk, enough to cover the bread, and let it soak. And when it becomes a little watery, squeeze out the extra milk and place the bread into the meat mixture, and then we're just going to continue doing that until we get all of it in. This helps the meat become more softer, so you don't want to miss this part. Then add in the onion and the garlic, and here I have some I kind of crushed the rosemary, dried rosemary, and I add in the salt and pepper seasoning, or I use steak seasoning. And then once you mix, prepare your pan. Either you can use this. I like to use the casserole dish, but you can use this kind of pan too. Okay, and I like to use grapeseed oil. It has no taste and it's healthier. So instead of using butter or anything. So here's my casserole dish. Make your meatballs, place them in, and cover with foil. Put it to bake on 375, and in the end you can remove the foil and let it cook a little bit without, so it can kind of cook just a little bit like that. And there you have it. Cook it for about 30 minutes or more if it needs more, and it's ready, and it's so delicious and moist, as you can see. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, have a good day. Bye-bye.